ng mga pelikula natin kumita lahat. May pressure ba para sa inyo na alam mo yon?
Para sa akin po, I don't think that it should be about that kasi as long as we're having fun, we had fun while shooting din. We
Yes.
hope na syempre tumugos sa movie screens yung fun that we had and lahat ng mga binigay namin, makita rin ng mga tao yun. That's all that matters is for us to be able to entertain. Doesn't matter if kikita or ulit, parang added benefit na lang yun. Pero para sa amin po, I don't think that it should be the most important thing here.
Hindi ba pressure kayo dapat dito?
I don't think we should be.
That's fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Okay na They're one of, di ba, his best friends. How do you feel about him na very happy and very, ano na, sa kanyang love life?
Siyempre masaya po ako para sa kanya. Yun lang naman ang hinahangad ko para sa aking mabuting matalik na kaibigan di ba? And I know that he deserves it very well. He does not deserve to get hurt or...
Just like you, syempre.
Opo, pero napakabuting tao po ni Mateo and he deserves the best. And I'm happy if he's happy.
Okay, and nakikita mo naman sa set na happy siya.
Opo.
Nakikita, feel. Okay, thank you.